Hi everyone! Thank you for coming back again. Today we're gonna go to Ikea Food Court. I love Ikea Food Court. It brings back sweet memories of living in Oslo, Norway. It was a fun place I frequented nearly every day to get through the blues of winter. Seriously, it was close to my home in Sandvika, so after dropping my eldest daughter off to school, I went with my 2-year-old to the Ikea Food Court. There is a safe indoor playground for my toddler to play. It was such an adventure for her. I used to watch her play, with the wooden toys, with the squishy toys, and also there were like things put around in the food court where, she could fiddle with some buttons, pull some news, and do something. And they're all placed around the food court so you can keep an eye on her while she's running around. The second reason being the coffee and the breakfast are amazing treats. Eating out was very expensive in Norway, and the Ikea Food Court was one of the more affordable places and also one of the places that were open in the morning right after, school starts. On weekdays, I remember the coffee was free, and that was back in 2005. It was so cold during winter that one just needed to get out the house, find a place to hang out. A warm place with warm food was definitely an attraction for me. Other mothers could join us, and we used to have a gathering at the Ikea Food Court where mothers will sit around chatting about their life, finding more about the information about the new place, and then we will also feed the kids meatball and mashed potatoes while they play around in the area. This is back in Norway. No kidding. This place helped me go through the long winter that can last for 6 to 7 months. Now, going outdoors will be so cold, so it's sometimes good to find somewhere indoor, somewhere warm, and warm food was very hard to get by. It's very seldom there are places where you can eat, like a cafeteria or things like that. So this is like a godsend. It was only newly opened, and we will love this place so much. Now I just visit for old time's sake. It brings back such happy memories for me. My name is Sue, who loves sharing recipes and foodie adventures. I hope you have liked the videos, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more similar content or where to eat, where to source food, and some recipes that you could try at home. The Ikea Food Court is a delightful place to take a break during your shopping adventure. Known for its Swedish-inspired menu, it offers a variety of dishes, including the iconic Swedish meatballs served with mashed potatoes and lingonberry jam. The lingonberry jam comes from, berries that they could pluck from their garden. It was so easily available, these little berries, and mothers would make jam and then they will eat it with meatballs. Most of the food is not sweet, so this little jam adds a little sweetness to the meatballs. Swedish meatballs is the Ikea signature dish, served with mashed potatoes, lingonberry jam, and cream sauce. This is a classic favorite. You have the choice of 9 meatballs, 12, or 16 meatballs portion. Lately, I see there are also plant-based veggie balls for vegetarians, a tasty alternative for vegetarians paired with some sides. 2 popular desserts are the cinnamon buns, sweet, fluffy, and a great treat to end your meal, and the almond cake, a rich dessert that's hard to resist. Other popular options include the salmon fillets, plant-based dishes like the veggie balls, and a range of desserts such as the chocolate cake and Swedish apple cake. They also have a variety of salads, and you can go for some of the sandwiches as well. For a quick snack, the Ikea Bistro serve items like hot dogs, pizza slices, and cinnamon buns, and also some yogurt ice cream. And that is on the ground floor if you visit the Ikea at Houston on Katy Freeway. So you have the first floor will be the food court, and then downstairs, the ground floor, you will get the food market and the bistro. They also have the Swedish food market where you can purchase some items like the cured salmon, sauces, snacks, chocolates, and also the meatballs and bring it home so that you can make it easily at home. Also love walking around the showroom where furniture is displayed. It's displayed in such a beautiful way that you can just imagine, having all this furniture, whether it's for your bedroom or a rug, or maybe throw in some cups and dishes, and it's shown in this live display that you really, really love walking around IKEA just for ideas and also for your next project at home. So if you have an IKEA nearby, please check all these activities out and enjoy yourself. I hope you find a happy place to hang out. It's so important to have this. And IKEA food court and the indoor playground have been that place for me and my child. By the way, my 2 years old is now a happy 21 years old. Thank you, IKEA, for this happy place. Wishing you all the best. See you next time. Bye.
Anything else, sir?